Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying available hardware and backups. First, check disk management for an unallocated partition or a second physical drive. This is what you'll use. Once done, create a full system image or copy critical files to external media. This protects you if resizing fails. Make sure BitLocker is suspended and you have admin rights. Without them, you cannot change partitions. Gather drive model and interface details so you know if cloning or expansion is appropriate. Next, decide whether to expand C, by resizing or by cloning. If adjacent free space exists, shrink the neighboring volume and then extend C. Via disk management, select C, choose Extend Volume and follow prompts. If you're using a new drive, clone the existing disk sector by sector with reliable software. Once cloned, swap cables or set the new disk as boot in BIOS. Make sure alignment and partition types, MBR versus GPT, match to avoid boot issues. Finally, apply the change and confirm stability. After extending or cloning, reboot and enter BIOS to confirm the correct boot drive, then run chkdsk and disk management to verify C, reports the new size. Make sure system and applications start normally and confirm restore points and backups are intact. If the system won't boot, use recovery media to run startup repair or restore your image. As a key troubleshooting tip, if resizing fails, restore the backup and retry with a dedicated partition tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.